popping, everybody? You know what it is. 94 Brahman Gang, Mr. O. Action. They go back again with another video. So yeah, man. And already light it on Senzanga Panda was one. The Ambros was Namshuma. But yeah, man. Your camera in Senzanga Panda was one. I don't know what I'm mean. So it's really Twana come Zikai. So yeah, man, it's the first reaction of 2026 when I'm gonna usana zwingwe oyi obroma ngenge ndo we are usana Rootkid Venda and a Metro CMG. It's not featuring, it's Rootkid Venda and Metro CMG track and the waiver freestyle cover and one take video. In your body don't know one I'm gonna like I've seen it ndosana comment that they are mandari rotoma mwazo would Toma 2026 zwabu dusana zwingwe ari usokopfa vhathu usokopfa chianta kutofuma nga muzika wavhuḓi wo rendelaho ndi ambori wana mukala. Don't forget to go and subscribe kha channel hey na kha channel ya Rootkid Venda, because as you know namukala last story oya a hekiwa kha channel yawe, but yeah it's working wana mukala. So let's go and support wana mukala. So kunyagwembesa zvinji, but hit like you don't yokwatisa vathu vanji ndaona makuswega okwata, and I don't know why okwata atizokwatira la line ya Metro ya kanyimbo ipulawo ya upfi vamwe ni magaga na makuswega nganiita mini anganigonya whatever it was not like line ine akwatisa and khethe ndichifai unless comes ndo misa zvimwe zvino ndozviketcha zvino apa ndichicorrecta atingove ndapfuti kupfi makuswega mini adonengeze volume apa donengeza volume mawifi ingongwana. So ndikuto like ndowanisa kupfesa why okwata why ordinary opo line dzipiyo kana dzimwe ndakutodza ngakhwanani kana ukopfadza dzopiwa hovo mara. Let's get to the song, man. Udamba karimbo kongwana alifoso kutangana mini ndowana mtano fi Jeff Big Jeff or something like that. Obviously, na this to Metro CMG in order to IFA. So maybe I might react. I might do a blind reaction now with the farimbo, and then just do some reaction to the check and epokotana meaning or a busy one of Karas close of Vula. But yeah, let's get to it, man. In 2 minutes, okay, Rasman, hey, man, let's go. Metro CMG. Rootkid Venda. So we have my first time. And this is funny because if you remember Baji Toma Metro CMG na Rootkid Venda kayukona nyabo wotoma nga unyago kufana manda nkongwana ndizwi bizofana manda like in a beef style yova kufana manda mwachi kupa mwezi line mwa track niko dzura dzazo ngaza bona na maya pfene those songs, right? Dzedzila nkongwana so bachiko beefa that track wako kufana manda, and then Metro CMG bachiko kaidza Rootkid Venda mukaidzera zo visa nyimbo dza vamwe zvino call osara zoimisa chivunu sachitavana. So ndikomanga ngoti koyu ukofurisa nyimbo ya Scott Mapume and va Metro vanga ngomu nduzve vamukaidzera zvone vopedza vovidzura zvone vadha vazviita, but like I said onomukala vava kutofana manda vathu kongona vava kutofana manda serious. Ndiyena kunthoma zvino apa na alitotopfa TikTok. So let's get to it and let's get it going.
Starting off with a banger, kopa gudisa kopa bona bakabelena. Nina my punchline na left and right, na the sound check ninga bono ngare ndo apena.
It's a new year starting off with a banger. Ngwana ndikowabona bakadelena kopa gudisa bathu. It's a new year ndi mwa muswa mara still ochincha mwa page na chichincha abathu bote bakati bagudisa zwa muzika kawa sorry muthu upushanga ndirade. But yeah, man, nala nene nyago yamba pala.
It's a new year starting off with a banger. Kopa gudisa kopa bona bakadelena. Nina my punchline na left and right, na the sound check ninga bono ngare ndo apena.
Nina my punchline left and right, na the sound check ninga bono ngare ndo aplena. In other words, I don't plan my punches. Kongwana, like I don't plan these punches because in the freestyle I mean I plan you, but in a punch left and right, na the sound check. Check 1 2 1 2. Ningafunga time ndo plan, but I don't plan those things, man. Let's go.
It's a new year starting off with a banger. Kopa gudisa kopa bona bakadelena ndina ma punchline na left and right na sound check ningabona ngare ndwapena
ndina marashene rikola viana beri ukufona uri nina dziviana uchiro bukawani dzimwe dzofa dzigiana.
Hey man, Metro CMG Slick man. Ndofela ni ya that line ya ina kwamba nganga ntinga beri ukubusa na ziviana na like viana biana, you know, profikola ziviana beri kadu ukubusa na zivia. So I think you amba ngandele na weko iko na biana kongo na zonu na and then also viana ina what comes kwamba viana uri beri mana manu wa ziviana. Okay, sure.
punchline na left and right na sound check ningabona ngare ndwapena
ndina marashene rikola viana beri ukufona uri nina dziviana uchiro bukawani dzimwe dzofa dzigiana basi dzika convoy adzikusiyana
Uchiro bukawani dzimwe dzofa dziviana. Uchiro bukawani dzimwe dzofa dziviana. V1 ukamba vanilla ya dzigolo ya ntu ya Mercedes, right? Yeah, dziviano. The Mercedes, I think even if one number so which one zofa Viana. I think I don't go jipa, but I feel like it's referencing the Viano, ya Goro, yele Mercedes Benz, and then also like even if V1 number, I think that's what's referencing, but already go connector hani na zingwe ndinga strong bazodi.
ningabona ngare ndwapena
ndina marashene rikola viana beri ukufona uri nina dziviana uchiro bukawani dzimwe dzofa dzigiana basi dzika convoy adzikusiyana
uya bala akuna zakaka zvine akwamba kwamba zvamba uko varaba flow iko depa tonga ndizvikalaka
Uya bala amamana bala hi oh hi not like you say piano zone amafana bala hi I think ona mpo maketo zone yanyi dosha buzvipa kanda capable boys if you bala so if you bala azinachete zvinova kwamba zvikamba vakada mini vako bala and achamba bala uri kwamba bala ndiko reference letleke zvino uri kwamba ufi zvinova kwamba zonachete ndiko kufi ngorela ila verse ndinokomba zvino mbanga mpoele mpelo dara kunga bala mara zvinakwamba zvinami
basi dzika convoy adzikusiyana
uya bala
zakuba ndikoto vyaka mpoele ndiko ndachisa umwe petu mpoele ile kotakai
akuna zakaka zvine akwamba kwamba zvamba uko varaba flow iko depa tonga ndizvikalaka
obona zvihuro bviwanga chingalanga nena
obona zvihuru obvanga chikhalakhala lezo ndizopfinobonera mutu ni mutuku tizokadite na nabona namfumaka tizoite utonga zofi lezo zofi zifimini nazura songo zvaira utonga lezo nofi zvaira ufina bonera mutu mwana yabva chikhalakhala ni yabva chitu apa chingachipuna so chikiti khala obona zvihuru mfo wetu so obona zvihuru obvanga chimini ngachikhaha
yo bala akuna zakaka zvine akwamba kwamba zvamba uko varaba flow iko depa tonga ndizvikalaka
obona zvihuro bviwanga chingalanga nena chidochikobika zvikhalanga rofara zvipopi ene ndizvipalapa zoranga bukete bupfupi hakalaka
nikomba zila skete zvavo john vuligate nyimbo dzavo sako con katol gate
nyimbo dzava dzipfuki toll gate nyimbo dzavo sokukona ngangundira nyimbo dzava sviki pulukwane dzidzara nepavenda pedzi ungavo kwambanyi kamisi makusveka ukwatira yei makusveka udovokwatira yei ufi zvinyimbo zvava zvipfuki toll gate zviguma nepavenda pedzi zvidhuma venda pedzi zvadhiwa nepa ngangwendira nanda avabhukiwi avapfuki navo nevane avapfuki toll gate if nyimbo dzavo sapfuki toll gate navo vangasipfuki mini toll gate. And I love the way he took the lines from Metro CMG. Four lines, four bus, and then when I'm watching the line, I'm more Jack Allen, I'm more to Congo, so I'm loving that, man.
rofara zvipopi ene ndizvipalapa zoranga bukete bupfupi hakalaka
nikomba zila skete zvavo john vuligate nyimbo dzavo sako con katol gate
And the John Vuli Gate. Zvinyamba zvavo zvikona kamini. Cattle Gate, Vuli Gate. Come on, bro. Ndikuvhura mini gate. Mara nyimbo dzavo adzikonuvhura toll gate. Ngono ndinofara vana vanovhura magete. Mara vana nyimbo dzavo adziti mini adzikonuvhura magete adzitoll gate.
zvikhalanga rofara
Uvhura magete kwambura adzikonupfuka toll gate adzisviki ngava pasai dzavo pulukwane. Dzavenda pedzi nalusri hard.
popi ene ndizvipalava zoranga vokete vupfupi hakalaga
nikomba zvilo skete zvavo john john fullgate nyimbo dzavo sako concon patolgate vangasiri chokwamba chikangane ndivurodza kusakona uwafoda colgate
biti ndiligong
vangasikona wamba chikanganne ndovulwadza usakona ufoda tollgate onoambiwa fe vamba sambenge vavalavara so ngovalavalavoi azivapi mini chelede so ngova chelede avakona vafoda mini colgate and nyimbo dzava zifuki tollgate so if isafuki tollgate chelede vadeiwana hani avanchete so vamba chikanganne or vakono ngori vachamba chikanganne ngori nedzeno langa liyafuka tollgate so chamba chikanganne ndihone ndira iyo tene vadopfuka mini tollgate so avafoda tollgate vasichamba chika ne
skete zvavo john john fullgate nyimbo dzavo sako concon patolgate vangasiri chokwamba chikangane ndivurodza kusakona uwafoda colgate
biti ndiligongong zvastraight bifika biltong sunplate ridzenitodzongaropi
bifika biltong sunplate bifika biltong bifika noiomisa khongwana ndi bifi yomoya yokhwathawo bifi yokhwatha si bifi yotamba yamatanda vana so ndi beef inavo and biltong chino chavo chibiltong right musi nichomisa nama to make it a biltong you want to make it last longer khongwana ngonyanga kuti ipedze chipinga isasinotavanya ngondiri kofisa kofi uchipi beef ndika biltong khongwana beef ndi biltong ngondiri kwambofi nama kana beef omisa and idoja chipinga chirafu ichikonidzolapo ichikonevaisa khongwana asi beef inavo ndinobva muyanga chipedi ndipitinazo idoja chipinga chirafu
vangasiri chokwamba chikangane ndivurodza kusakona uwafoda colgate
biti ndiligongong zvastraight bifika biltong sunplate ridzenitodzongaropiwa mandate pisani maroto kana husunbake
Can also bake. Switch up back, man. We're switching back. Switching back. Good job, young Peasy.
ngori ndosekene nemetro ita chibumbanyana utova bigi ndava tupac mara kwatoseyana varare vachirepa nga chivenda kechivova vangasive this tough
so ngori ndosekene then tungongwana like hey man metro ndi bigi nam Tupac. So for some of you, you know about Big and Tupac, right? So if you don't know about them, you can go and watch that documentary, recent documentary, P Diddy, you know, 50, produced on 50 Cent. That will give you some idea of who Tupac is and who's Big and how did they not tune there, but they more than yeah, ngongwana so ndre zikurovia nepo. Sorry about that. Zikurovia nepo like hey man, you can go and check that documentary. That was a mumble, but you can go and check that documentary. But you can do search beginner and kunyagoriwa cause ndi mfuke ndichamba ngazwa beginner ndo kutomoriwa kamse ndi mnoko wa zitumbu zawo zikuti yo
ngori ndosekene nemetro ita chibumbanyana utova bigi ndava Tupac mara kwatoseyana varare vachirepa nga chivenda kechivova vangasive this tough say fuck the world
no vachirepa nga chivenda like oh yeah okwatira pa Mexico urapa nga nga chikuwa so fina vachirepa nga chivenda vasingasive this tough vorapa nga chikuwa but still ava this tough. Now if vachirepa nga chivenda vasingasive this tough zvikamba zo okacha yone makusvega
ngori ndosekene nemetro ita chibumbanyana utova bigi ndava Tupac mara kwatoseyana varare vachirepa nga chivenda kechivova vangasive this tough say fuck the world netiko todo kutera ndichifuna norundera ndingarundera
I said fuck the world and ndiko nyango putera condom I'm fucking it raw. That's when the new one but I'm fucking the world raw. Ndikola
ndava Tupac mara kwatoseyana varare vachirepa nga chivenda kechivova vangasive this tough say fuck the world netiko todo kutera ndichifuna norundera ndingarundera kwatoseya masango njia serious flow iko bambero ngariyo buka Elias
Kazabe when the magosho at zero nendichishika bari
Trekeza wendi magosi at zero. Magosi ndi that unopa body, unoshava body like those people who are, magosi mudu wa gosi wana malira like aulili mtu gosi ni mtu naburu wa opa so kufitrekeza nabo ndi magosi at zero. Gosi ya little riwa so trekeza wendi magosi at zero azina malira zilili.
ndichifuna norundera ndingarundera kwatoseya masango njia serious flow iko bambero ngariyo buka Elias
Kazabe when the magosho at zero nendichishika bari rwan mapiri noshika no fara mbato na banga ndare makuru noni wao chiko kwata bafili
ndarema khulunoni wa ukwata vafili why vafili oti kukwata khulunoni ndi yavo na akunzira kufi why vako kwata king na ali mudivi king wo diveya tu komba khulunoni ya to renga noskala paka ndarema ila ni khulunoni wa ukwata vafili why feel nizofila kukwata ndoko rema khulunoni because he's not a king.
Elias
Gazabe when the magosha ziri nende jishika bari rani mapiri shika no farambado na banga na rema kurunoni wao chiko kwata bafili korabisa doti bafana banga sale mo round yo ni sumbeza pini the queen
bare pesa doti bafana banga he zani mo round ni sumbeza bini bino shira mashika vewa na korepa on korepa pesa mashika. So let's go back ndo ni sumbeza mini bini ndo ni sumbeza doti ndo ni sumbeza nina ngaposa one you know
mapiri shika no farambado na banga na rema kurunoni wao chiko kwata bafili korabisa doti bafana banga sale mo round yo ni sumbeza pini the queen ni suppose mfana wanga korinenda tumoposa ninga wini
songo muzanga sifeto zwa zipiyano shida kaura paka chidoshi ndi pafetu arada ndasongo dumisa gaga nono yuwa rabba mtana adova asio fetu
chimwana chimwe ndi muraba mtana ene ya bafu mfana asongo we
the way he says that ne ndila zoro pia ukoto ambo fini krot man ukoto fi ni krot man ukoto ambo ngona songa ngaye man wabva hapo mtukana man don't put him
fetu arada ndasongo dumisa gaga nono yuwa rabba mtana adova asio fetu
or maybe makshoko kwatana hii line ukofonga ndeno odumiso gaga like I don't know man I don't know I'm just guessing
chimwana chimwe ndi muraba mtana ene ya bafu mfana asongo we at the G mfana neregodo tamba mfana
asongo by the G mfana natiro tamba mfana ngofi zvinera kuzviamba chikore rapa mtana mina songa the Jordan ndo ruwa baru nende ya before no beefiwa akiro tamba ngona mukala man we just having fun ara kuita so serious ringatri kwamba nga ene chitamba elambanga ene but when we are serious we don't talk about you. So asongo by the G mfana kiro tamba man
adova asio fetu
chimwana chimwe ndi muraba mtana ene ya bafu mfana asongo we at the G mfana neregodo tamba mfana
acherea kumbonarea kasakoa kumbuzeigola igola iwatanganda ejenewa
aona zvina yako ambo koparapa songondisa na chidoshi mfana wanga nisongorekanda konsi bafana vanga veni vane no relaxa vafana vanga
ka creative
wambura matupisa la ashane mara vanaka ne kuti warenga matupisa ashane ya ndiyafuti ayambara ya mtachiko inonga dzi weekend ne pa baby tupisi ya ashane hapa kana kuona we
ejenewa
aona zvina yako ambo koparapa songondisa na chidoshi mfana wanga nisongorekanda konsi bafana vanga veni vane no relaxa vafana vanga
ka creativity notani tangazanga asatende kutohanedzana na fene zanga karib game yakuna natama yanga na metro west warriors mungana wanga
ya timungano wano ndi protman wano ndi kunamelone ndi postman kasongo
guys. Okay, if you need to video, I'm sure I'm video, right? I want you to go and look at the way look at the Zangayo metro on this verse. Like just go and look at the way it's like that guy who's like I'm proud. How did he turn this? Like the way he turned this around, this line around. Like it's like a proud kid, man. Don't want no yeah.
fene zanga karib game yakuna natama yanga na metro west warriors mungana wanga
ya timungano wano ndi protman wano ndi kunamelone ndi postman kasongo kapiti ndi post park aritangani ngo as far
Pano ndi Bunamelo and the Bossman my training, I think. Yeah, Bossman. I've never been there though. You don't know what you call Ambanga. I think it's training. So, hey man, the Bunamelo ni pano Bossman. I want to finish Vanga. Nazungulelu. Yakonda uri nitoni kutotera ba metro ngene ndira pa ndi Bunamelo nazung ndi like ndi chivangani as it is. Sorry, as it is. No, no, tomo boda. As it is so kona mekanya vunyi ba metro SMG ndo da zwavhuḓi ngori ndi gai ndi Bunamelo. Vivar na zo kwamba ngoti. 94 Mr. Reaction 20 minutes reaction. That's not me. So yeah, when I'm going to do that, I hope you enjoyed the music. Come on, comment as well. Because the current check up. So please comment on the song that you want me to react on. And we are back full force. We're gonna be doing some live from Monday next week. That's live, just live. Thank you for Mr. Production and out.